Are you looking for a way to download subtitles for your favorite YouTube videos? Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First, navigate to the YouTube video with subtitles that you want to download. Next, click on the three-dot button below the video player on the right-hand side. This will open up a pop-up menu. From the menu, select Open Transcript. This will open a transcript of the video in a window to the right of the video player. If you don't want timestamps to appear next to each line of text in the transcript, you can click on the three-dot icon above the transcript window and select Toggle Timestamps to turn them off. Open a new text document in your preferred text editor such as Notepad, TextEdit, Word, Pages, or any other text editor. Highlight and copy the entire transcript text. Start from the bottom and drag the slider bar to the right of the transcript box all the way down. Click and drag from bottom to top to highlight the entire transcript. Copy the highlighted text by right-clicking on it and selecting Copy. Then, right-click on your blank text document and select Paste to paste the transcript into the new document. Finally, to save the transcript, click on File and select Save As or Save on Mac. Give the file a name next to File Name and click Save. And there you have it. Now you have a copy of the transcript for your favorite YouTube video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you for watching.